How to fix your forgotten Telegram passcode lock. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix forgotten Telegram passcode lock. So if you have also forgotten your Telegram passcode lock, in that case you won't be able to log into your Telegram application. So in that case, to reset your Telegram passcode or to find the alternative, what we can do is just head over to your Play Store and just search in for the new application which is called Nicegram. So it's an alternative for the Telegram application. If you are somehow unable to log into your Telegram passcode, or if you have completely forgotten your passcode lock for your device, then in that case this might be the only solution. So just make sure you install it, and now from here what you can do is just click on get started and follow the on-screen instructions just like this. And once you do all of that, it will ask you to enter your login credentials just like this. So let me just select the free account over here and just select your country from over here and your phone number, and your Telegram will be successfully logged into the Nicegram. And that is exactly how you can easily use the Telegram. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.